Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today I'm diving into a question many international students ask. Which are the best banks for us? Opening a bank account is one of the first things you'll need to do after moving, so let's break it down. First, let's understand what is checking versus savings account. A checking account is mainly your day-to-day transactions, things like paying groceries, bills, or withdrawing cash. It's where your money flows in and out regularly. A savings account, on the other hand, is for long-term saving. You put money in it and you usually earn some interest over time. But for now, the priority of most international students is opening a checking account, and a lot of banks offer student accounts with benefits like no monthly fees, making them perfect for you. So now let's go to the top bank options for international students. Number one, Chase College Checking. Chase is one of the most popular banks in international students. They offer the Chase College Checking Account, which is designed for students aged 17 to 24. The good news is there is no monthly service fee while you are in school. You just need to provide your passport and your I-20 to open an account. And no social security number is required upfront, which is perfect if you haven't started working yet. One perk of Chase is its integration with Zelle, which makes transferring money super easy. Many students opt for Chase because it's a big bank with plenty of ATM and branches. Another cool thing is they often have a promotion where you can get up to $100 when you open a student account. And now coming in at number two is Wells Fargo Student Checking. They also have a clear access student checking account specifically designed for students aged 17 to 24. It works similarly to Chase, offering no monthly fees during your time in school. The account includes features like mobile banking, bill pay, and Zelle for transferring money. Just like with Chase, you need your passport and I-20 to open an account, and no SSN is required right away. And now, number three would be the Bank of America Student Checking. Another great option is Bank of America, which offers the Advantage Safe Balance account for students. It's also fee-free for students under 25 and includes mobile banking features. Like other banks, you'll need your passport and I-20 to get started. So now you might be wondering, what if you're over 25? Now what will happen if that is the case? You won't qualify for the student-specific accounts anymore. In that case, you'll be looking at standard checking accounts, which often come with monthly maintenance fees. For example, Chase has the total checking account with a $12 monthly fee. However, there are ways to waive that fee, like keeping a minimum balance of $1,500 or having at least $500 direct deposited each month. The same goes for Wells Fargo and Bank of America, which also have similar fees for their standard accounts. But here's the tip. If your university has a partnership with a local bank, like how MidFirst Bank partners with ASU, you might be able to find an account with no monthly fees. And now, let's understand why avoid credit unions. Some students might think of going to a credit union, but from my experience, credit unions might not offer all the services you need, especially if you're looking for things like international money transfers. So now to wrap up, if you are an international student under 25, I'd say Chase is your best bet because of its wide network, ease of use, and lack of fees for students. But if you are over 25 looking for something local, check your university if it has a banking partner like MidFirst at ASU, which offers free banking for students. Wells Fargo and Bank of America are solid alternatives too, but the conditions for waiving fees can be a bit more complicated. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.